Hello everyone, this is my first video and I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube video downloader from scratch with Python. It's a very basic piece of code and the interface is going to be made from the command line. To start this project, we need to install PyTube 3. To do that, we have to open command prompt or terminal, but I'm using a Windows machine so I have command prompt, and you would do pip install PyTube 3. The reason we do PyTube 3 is because we're using Python 3. For me, it says requirement already satisfied because I have it downloaded on my computer, but for you, it should start downloading. So now let's get into the real coding. So the first thing we would do to start coding is to make a new folder. I'm going to make it on my desktop because it's easy to access. I'm going to call it YTD for YouTube Downloader, and then open that with my editor. And then I'm going to make a new file, a Python file, and I'm going to call app.py, whatever you want. It could be youtube.py, downloader.py, anything. And then I'll just close this so it's easier. So we need to import some stuff out of the PyTube module, but not all of it. So just do it from pytube.cli import. We need on progress. So this would tell us like our progress when we're downloading the video. And then we would do from PyTube import YouTube. And then the next module we have to import is OS, so it could communicate with our computer and download the video and save it to the computer. So the next thing I would do is make a variable for the video link. So this would be my name. You could call it like, it could be video underscore URL or something like that. And then I would do input. I would do paste. I could say paste your video. Oh wait, I forgot the paste video. Paste your video link. So this is correct. That's the variable we just set. So when we run our code, it would ask you to paste your link. And then we would do a try statement, so it would test out the code to see if it works. And if it finds any errors, it'll tell the whoever's doing it or like downloading a video. So we'll make another variable called YT, whatever. I could do YouTube, but I'll just do YT. And it could be YouTube like that, and then video link on progress callback, and then we would just put on progress because that's what we would put it on. So the next thing we would do is YT, because that's our variable, dot streams, and then we would do a backward slash. And then the next thing we'd do, because we need to have the ending of MP4, whatever you want, but I'm going to use MP4, sorry. And then you would do filter file dot extension equals MP4. You could do MOV MOV, or what else is there? MKV. We would do a backward slash again. The next thing we would do is get highest resolution. You could even do lowest resolution if you want a smaller video size. And then we would do a backward slash again. And the next thing we do, we want the video to start download. Sorry. Download. So now we would have to do an except statement to say that if there's an error, okay, so we want it to print there's an error. We could do the full word. Yeah. And then if there's no errors, we want it to say that it downloaded. What should we say? Download what is complete successfully, maybe. That's good. Yeah, I think that's good. Download is complete successful. That sounds good. The next thing we would do is run our code. And I'm just gonna check if there's any problem. We're getting a little errors. Unsolved reference error. Actually, I know why that. Because an error is normally ER. Moment of truth. Let's see if the code's gonna run and function properly. So I'm just gonna run it and then paste a link. I'm gonna use one of my friend's videos just as an example. These work. Oh, download is complete successful. Let's check this out. It actually worked. The whole video worked. That was really quick. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if I should make another YouTube downloader, but with the real interface, not just the command line, with buttons and all sorts of those things.